Okay, so here we are at Fort Wilderness. This is the Settlement Bus Depot right there across the street, which is over by Pioneer Hall. This is an old golf cart parking area which is closed off now, and I point this out just so you can use it as a reference. But right along here, behind this parking area, are remains of the old Fort Wilderness train tracks. We're going to take a little journey now and follow these train tracks. I'll try to document as many as I can so you guys can see where they are and follow the path too. So you can see some old remnants there, and we're actually going to go right down this path. It's a little overgrown, so make sure you have your adventure clothes and adventure shoes on here. But here we go, following along the path. Kind of like your own little Fort Wilderness scavenger hunt to see if you can find where their railroad tracks are. But here you can see some are not very visible. But you definitely can follow it along. Most have that green moss on them now. This is just a really, really cool sight to see. And again, here's the path. You can see how it's kind of raised. So you can picture the old train traveling along this track. Even looking forward, you can see where it's still raised. So you can imagine the train traveling along here. And again, see some ties are still very visible, while others not so much. And the noise you hear behind me is a bus, since we're right near the bus depot. Oh, there's a good one. Alright, let's do some crawling under here. There you go. Hi guys. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? That's pretty neat. Wow.
Go for the ghost conductor.
The ghost conductor. Oh, lots of mosquitoes? Alright, so bug spray might also be a good idea. I'll take you down to where we just kind of can't walk any further. Because as you can see, the trees have fallen over and grown across the track. But we're still following the track. And it just continues right along there. And we're not going to venture into there. So there you have it. Your scavenger hunt for the old Fort Wilderness train tracks. Happy hunting!